Not all meat is created equal.
Did you know that unless there's a USDA label on your meat, it hasn't been either supervised or graded by a licensed USDA professional? Only USDA inspectors can ensure the safest, highest quality meat and accurate labeling of all finished products. All Prairie Street Prime meats, beef, veal, and lamb, are processed under USDA supervision, and therefore we can ship anywhere in the US. All Prairie Street Prime beef is graded by the USDA into the following categories: choice, USDA Prime, and dry aged. So let's talk about what all of this means. Choice beef has a wide variability in quality. High choice and low choice are not graded by the USDA. Unless you source from a purveyor like Prairie Street Prime, who only works with boutique farms, you never know what you're going to get. And what does prime mean? USDA Prime beef is the most superior quality and has the highest amount of marbling, making it the most tender, juicy, and flavorful. Simply put, this is the meat you want if you are looking for the absolute best. Also, USDA Prime beef only comprises less than 5% of the nation's meat, which is also why it can be difficult to find and in such high demand. Now, Prairie Street Prime has taken it one step further to offer you the absolute best in luxury meats. We're excited to unveil our new kosher 30-day dry-aged product line. But this isn't just dry-aged beef. We're talking dry-aged USDA Prime beef, veal, and lamb. The most amazing and unique cuts, all from our state-of-the-art USDA Kosher dry-aged facility. This is our 30-day dry-aged USDA Prime custom tomahawk cut. It's more than 3 inches thick, a behemoth of luxury meat. Through the process, it loses more than 10% of moisture, which increases the redness and the flavor of the meat. Basically, we're taking an already incredible product and making it into a one-of-a-kind luxury experience. So let me show you what USDA grading really means when it comes to meat. So it all has to do with fat. All meat has fat, but the better meat, the USDA Prime meat, has the best intramuscular fat, or what we would normally call marbling. Now, all meat has this external layer of fat on it, but the more of that beautiful fine marbling that's inside of the meat, the more succulent, the more juicy, the more tender, the more flavorful that meat's going to be. So for example, this is a piece of supermarket choice meat. It's got a little bit of marbling, not much. It's not going to be extremely juicy. It'll be okay. This is Prairie Street Prime USDA Prime meat. It's got beautiful marbling. It's got a nice layer of external fat. This is going to be the meat that melts in your mouth when you eat it. And then this is our 30-day USDA Prime dry-aged meat. And you can see it has beautiful interior intramuscular fat and just gorgeous rosy color. And this is the deluxe meat experience. To learn more about our luxury meat line, visit prairiestreetprime.com. Thanks so much for joining us today. I'm Chef Erica, and I hope that you will try out some of our Prairie Street Prime Culinary Kitchens recipes and try some of our great meat products. Prairie Street Prime, your luxury kosher meat experience.